In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a search that you've conducted in the ProQuest Dissertations and Thesis database. So the first thing to remember is that in order to save a search, you need to be logged into your ProQuest account. And the way you do that is that you need to come up here to the top and you'll see the little person icon, and you would click on that. And that will allow you to log in. Now I've already logged in, so I don't see login as an option. Instead I see my research showing up here. If you do not have an account, you click on the person, and then you would click on create account, and it will walk you through creating that account. If you need more help with that, go ahead and contact us in the library and we will help you with creating your account. Okay, so I have logged on and now I'm on the advanced search page, and I've entered in a few search terms that I want to search. So just as part of a review, very quick, I'm going to go over the features of this search. Number one, you see that I have as my first search term Baker University. Now I want to tell the database to search for Baker University as a phrase. In other words, Baker and University together. So in order to do that, I have enclosed Baker University in quotation marks. I've also told the database, because these are my instructions to the database, search anywhere in the results if you find Baker University and include it in my results. Okay? I've connected Baker University with the Boolean operator and. I have the option of or not, but I've decided and, so my results will have Baker University and my other keyword, which is the word student. And again, it can appear anywhere in the results. I've also gone down and I have limited the publication date for my results to those things that have been published in the last 5 years. And I have other options. I could say the last 2 years, but I went with 5 years. Now, if I scroll down further, you can see that there are a number of other options for making more specific requests of the database for items in my results. A lot of times I like to do a broader search and then use those limiters later to really zero in on exactly what I want. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and click the search button. And when I do, I come back with 115 results. Now, again, I can refine my results using these limiters here on this left-hand side, including changing the date range. I could make it in the last year if I wanted to. And of course, then the subject is a great way to further refine your results. For instance, if I was interested in my search terms plus educational psychology, I could see that there are 11 results. So I've gone from 115 to 11 results, which would be potentially a good thing for me to do. But I'm going to pretend like this is a search that really works for me, and I want to go ahead and save it because I want to go back and rerun this search, or maybe I've run out of time and I need to do a little more work in the search results. So an option that I have is I can come up here to the top, and you can see I've got the cursor on Save Search / Alert. And I click on the down button and you see I get the option to save the search. So I'm going to go ahead and save this search, and I can name it. In this case, I'm going to name it as Search For. I can also add a note. So for instance, if this is going to be something that's relevant for a particular chapter or chapters of your dissertation, you could add that in the note here. And then click Save. And then you would close. Now, let's pretend I'm coming back and I want to look at my saved searches. Where do I find them? How do I get them? Well, I want to scroll back up here to the top. I'm going to go to that person icon again, and I'm going to click on it. And it's going to allow me to go under Saved Searches, and I just click on that. And when I do, it brings up a list of my searches, and you can see I've got the different tabs that are set up here, and it says I have saved 4 searches. So there you go. These are my searches. And again, you can see I have Baker University and student. Okay. Now, once I've saved these searches, I can revisit the searches, I can modify my searches, I can rerun my searches, I can edit my searches, and I can delete my searches. I hope this is helpful. If you have more questions, please contact us at the Baker University Library. We're always there to help our students, and we love hearing from you.